안녕하세요. Welcome to Ses Korean Kitchen. Today I'm going to make healthy side dish. We called it banchan. It used to be hard to get. These days it's easy to get and the price is reasonable as well. It's tofu. You can make a nice side dish with a pack of tofu. Let's make with me. Shall we begin? Go go! This is tofu. As you can see, Korean tofu firm. There are firm and soft tofu. Soft tofu is for jjigae or soup. I'm going to use firm tofu today. But if you have soft tofu only, you can use it. But not tofu for soft tofu stew. 순두부 jjigae. That is different. That tofu cannot fry in pan. I will open the tofu. I'm going to pan fry the tofu. There's a lot of water in the tofu, so we'll drain water before frying. I will cut it by 1 centimeter. Drain water before fry it. Let's make the seasoning. I will use a little big bowl to put everything together. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I will use Perilla oil today. 1 tablespoon of Perilla oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 80 ml of water. I will chop 1 small onion. I make small chop because it will be in sauce. This chopped onion put in sauce together. Just a little amount of carrot. The carrot, for finely chopped, we have to slice and other side and chop it. Green onion, these 2 spring onion will be garnished. I have 3 garlic cloves, but if you have minced garlic, you can put 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And everything are here, so mix. Then set aside. Pan fry tofu with medium low heat. with some oil. Look, the tofu, there's a lot of water drain, right? You have to slow pan fry until it's light brown color. Just with little oil. While pan fry the tofu, the water out from the tofu. Then later, when you add sauce, the tofu will absorb the sauce. Let's try to flip it over. Oh yeah, it's nice color. Okay, the other side, let's check. So the other side is light brown. Now I'm going to put sauce over the tofu. Spread evenly the sauce on the tofu. And lid of cover for 10 minutes. While 10 minutes, the tofu will get sauce. It simmers slowly for 10 minutes. So let's open the cover. It's moisture flying time and the seasoning thicker. I will open the cover and just let boil it for 3 minutes. It has been past 2 minutes, so now I will turn it off the heat and just wait 1 minute more. Garnish spring onion. It's finished. 두부조림. Fantastic. You guys cook 두부조림? It's authentic Korean food. You can have this with friends. It's a very good partner with 복분자 and 막걸리 too. Enjoy my recipe. 감사합니다.